ano, ngayon ko lang nailagay sa audio. Hindi, sa internal. Kanina naka-external. Kaya walang kuhang sound yung kanina. Buong record.
So paano yun? Wala.
Wala. Ngayon ko lang napansin.
Where's my
Try to put it on your seats. When you find your seats, you get back to your seat.
Ano naman itong dumadaan sa lamesa namin eh, nilalagpas mo yung camera.
Alam ko ba? Walang kwenta yung record ko kanina. Walang sound. Kasi ang setting, nakalagay ang microphone sa external. So hindi pumipick up yung internal.
Lagyan mo lang sound ng movie.
Nagpakahirap ako eh. Wala, hindi nakuha yung sound kanina.
Yung lang kami ng movie na yung parang gumalaw pa.
Sorry, paulit kayo. Okay lang kita. Pre! Pre! Pinagbibigyan na kita! Kita lang kita kumain, nagugutom na ako. Ha? Halos pareho lang yung ginagamit natin. Yung luma natin, yung ginagamit ni Bay. Halos pareho lang.
Thank you very much, Rowena. Ngayon, makakakain na siya. Hindi na siya bibigay habang kumakanta. Diba the Filipinos has a lot of traditions during the wedding? Sino pa sa inyo ang nakakaalala ng Filipino traditions during the wedding? One of which was to shower them with rice when they come out of the church normally, but somebody forgot the rice and they cooked it. That's why we have dinner tonight. Or yeah, that's right. Joseph, in the Ilocano region, that's our tradition is to have the newlyweds dance, and then those people who want to give gifts, who didn't actually have an idea on what to give the newlyweds, they give them money or cards or whatever currency you want. Euros, dollars, pounds, pesos, huwag naman peso. Or convert it into pounds. That's nice. One more tradition is that the groom shouldn't see the bride before the wedding. That is absolutely crap. Because we always see each other anyway, every day, and then by the day you're gonna wed, you're not gonna see your bride. That shouldn't be true, right? One more tradition. Anybody who knows another tradition from the Filipino tradition, way back a long time ago. Nung ikasal kayo, ano ang tradition ninyo?
Tawan.
There's a bowl, a what? A bow? Oh, you have to do that? Which region is that? Oh, sa Katagalugan. something old, something borrowed, something new, something new. Sana yung panty ay something new. Huwag something borrowed. Yucky.
Sasakyan.
That's right. Sasakyan na bago. Baka hindi nagka-drive eh. Any other traditions we have? Oh, later we're gonna have a trivia on who knows Dan and Andrea well. May premyo. Siyempre galing Belgium. Hulaan nyo kung ano. O, kukunin nyo doon. O, kukunin nyo nga sa Belgium. Beer, ayaw ng beer. We've got more than 1,000 kinds of beer. But we've got the best chocolate in the whole world. Betty D knows that. Okay, has everyone been served? Bon appetit. Smakelijk eten. Have a nice meal. I guess everyone is quiet now. Yung parang palakapag na tubigan na nila yun. Ngayon, usok na. My turn, hindi mahalata. Diba? Hindi halata kahit gutom ako. Ka-beauty pa rin, diba? Tsaka marami pa rin. Alright, that was nice. Did anybody notice kanina sa simbahan, is the priest here? Is the priest good? Sabi niya, bakit po? Curious ka, no? Did you notice that Andrea and Dan shared everything? Ring, blessings, the homily, the whatever that is, the candles, the veil, the cord, except the money. The money stayed with the priest. No, it's in the church. I saw it there, it wasn't blessed. It wasn't given to Andrea, or Dan given to Andrea. No, they forgot. The priest forgot. So I was like looking at it, and I was like, who's gonna get the money? Nobody. Nobody. So they share everything. Is it? It's British tradition? No way. No, that's not true. I don't like that tradition. I'm the Minister of Budget in my home. I'm also the Minister of Finance. But at least they got it back. Did they get it back? The coins? Anybody took the coin? Did somebody took the coin? Somebody? Yeah, it's with Mommy, the negosyante. Of course.
In heart that Jesus shall all be the center of your marriage. As you are like a cord with two strands, entering together, let Jesus be the third cord. For the word of God says, a cord of three strands is not easily broken. Dan and Andrea, Lord very well knows His plans for you, not to harm you, but to prosper, to give you a hope and future. Surely, goodness and mercy shall follow you all the days of your lives. Rejoice for the day that the Lord has made. Always remember that what God has joined together, no shall ever separate. Walang mga pag-ihiwalay sa atin, sa inyong dalawa. Kaya magsasama kayo ng tapat. Kung may nagkakatampuhan man ay susulbagan mo.
Di ba, babae ng tao.
Ito na lang at
Kasi
malayo kayo ng
Salamat po. I would like to request some of the groomsmen to please help move the wedding cake to the center so we can start the wedding cake cutting and the toast. Then we will have to vacate, I think we will have to vacate the front tables to give way to the dance floor. The throwing of the bridal garter, and of course the throwing of the bridal bouquet. That's the prime time of tonight's program, so please be careful with that. Correct? Here we go. I would like to call on the newlyweds to kindly position yourself near the cake.
Ngayon pa sa laptop, nagdadrop ka lang. Sabi nila ako ng ano, ang gabi. Yung ID nito. Ay, first day nito. Sinumati sila na tapos na dyan. So, ano sila namin yung souvenirs. Tapos yung sabi ko, sinubuhan nito sa ano, umaga. Dito makasapot. Sabi ko, pinag-isipan ko pa.
We'd like to call the attention of the official photographer. Here comes one of the most important function of tonight's affair. Somebody give that child a dinner. Kasi kumain na si Daddy at si Mommy, pero yung baby hindi pa. Baka naman sa hatian pa lang ng cake, mag-away na. Dapat papunta sa cake. Yes, anak.
Malaki. Ang ba? Ganito na lang yung...
Bangkang malaki.
Ang bak ka malaki.
Nga!
Somebody call the paramedics. All right, let me call on the best man, the brother, to give a small speech and a toast. So somebody please help prepare the wine for the toast. Is there already? Yeah. Put some vodka in it.
Naunahan ka pa daw.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Just Yun. Congratulations both of you, my brother and Andrea. Good luck sa journey nyo sa pagiging mag-asawa ngayon. So, kailan lang. And then, sana is magmahalan kayo habang buhay. And then, sana man ay pag may problema kayo ay pag-usapan nyo at para maging matibay ang yung pagmamahalan is kailangan yung mag-usap. So, give a toast for newlywed Dan and Andrea. So, toast for that.
Mabuhay ang bagong kasal! Long live the newlyweds! Okay, later na, later. Strict ang parents ni Dan. Strict ang parents ni Dan. Okay, now we have to vacate those. I hate to say this, really. I hate to say this, but I have to. We need to clear out that part a little bit so that we can have a dance floor. Because Andrea and Dan is gonna have a surprise number called the break dance. Oh, pati kayo na surprise, sabi ba? And while doing this, I would like to give the giveaways of Andrea and Dan to, no, that's not part, to the primary sponsors, mga ninong and ninang. I would like to call on Pastor Edmond Augis. Agis. Agis. I'm so sorry. I never pronounced that right.
Bakit anong gagawin?
Pastor Augis.
Magsabi ko, bigay mo daw yung 50. Oh, sorry.
Mrs. Victoria Key.
Ako pala binigyan eh.
Mr. Julius
Ako pala
Maristella.
binigyan. Kinabahan pa naman ako.
Nag-isip pa nga ako ng sasabihin, baka tawagin din ako eh.
Mrs. Narisa de la Cruz. Miss. I stand corrected. Miss Narisa de la Cruz. Guys, available pa si Narisa, grab her. Bayani Munyo.
Kunin na lang.
Julio. Julio. Julio ba? Aurora Balahadja. Henry Lajao. Yung partner ko. There. Here. It's a giveaway from Andrea and Dan. Nilo Reyes. Vicky De La Rhea. Umuwi na si Vicky. Ayun.
Kala mo, luto ka sila eh.
Ayan.
Hindi ko na kumain sa mga.
Resty Nicolas. Resty? Ayun. Ito Resty. Lorna Razal. Lorna, there's Tita Lorna. Nemesha Simeon and Nemesio Soriano Jr. Ayun si Tito Jr. Christy Laughlin. There's Christy. Luis Lauren. Ate the Christy there. Luis, Tita Aya there. Tita Luis there. Miriam Palarca. Margarito Borlaza. Naku, ayan na. Daddy needs na. Now, and of course, wala si Penny. Darating. Okay, ikaw na magbigay.
Kalukuhan. Thank you. Bangag yung ano.
Alright, so what do we do now?
Talaga. Kami ko lang naalala. Dito na. Kaya umiyot yung ano, kanina. Kailangan pala yung ano. Hindi, may switch pa. Hindi naman siya on. Nakaano lang yung external at naka-internal ba?
Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to introduce a very old tradition from the Philippines, especially the Ilocos region where Andrea and I were born. It's called bitin-bitin. Sabit-sabit. Sa Tagalog. Sa Ilocano, bitin-bitin. Sa Ilocano, bitin-bitin. Sa Bisaya, bitin, ano? Sabit, Clarice the pin. Ang pasahin nyo sa Bicol. Sa Bicol ay pantumina. Yan. In English, give your money. Tenant. Pins. Okay, I would like to call on the secondary sponsors to please help distribute the pins. Just give them the pins and then they will distribute it. Those who would like to participate in the bitin-bitin, sabit-sabit, give your money, whatever, we'll start. Let me give you first to serenade everyone and the newlyweds, my son, Kenneth.
Unahan mo daw pare.
Why don't you say
tambal daw, nasaan? Nag-iisa yung 20, nagtambal.
I know. Sarada and Joe did this at their wedding.
Lagyan mo pangalan. Lagyan mo pangalan. Pinagkunan ko sa ganda. Bago kami.
Kaya doon na ako lumansano. Kasi pag bumalik, traffic na eh. 5 years na lang yung naiwan sa amin.
Hindi pa rin nakikota. Hindi pa nakikota. Ano pa?
Oo, isang pikante tayo.
Some more music? I think they're still putting some more money. Let's get it in. It's a very practical way of giving gifts. If you don't have any idea what to give, then this is a very good help for the couple. Please, Mr. DJ.
Ano? Pagod na. Ayos lang. May tripod naman.
May ipalis na rin. Ipalis na rin. Bibili pa ng lolo ko yung lupa. Papasundo sa floor sa Willing Business Hospital sa Trabaho.
Agency ka ba?
Agency.
Lori, kailangan ng code dyan.
may hawak ko eh.
Sold. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause to Don and Andrea. Is Clarice and Diamond ready with their number? Okay, you should start counting. Can the sponsors help Andrea and Dan, please? Or Ninong help them. Yeah, Ninong you help them na lang. Alright, I would like to invite everyone to please take your seats for this very special number.
Ito ang bigas dito eh. Hindi na kumuha sa Marikina. 29, 20 kilo.
We're the Ninong Julius and Ninong Nori is gonna count the money, and we will have to announce it later. That's the completeness of the tradition. So wait and see lang tayo. Pwede pa humabol. Wala naman ang pin. Sa bulsa na lang. Pwede check. Alright, Clarice, where's your music? Naku, bilis magbilang. Kaya pa.
Isak na lang.
And then, after the dance of Clarice and Diamond, we're gonna have the garter and the bouquet throw. And then, the dance floor will be open to all. Alright. I think Diamond, you have to move that chair over there. Alright. There. Ano ba din yung yeah. One in front and one in the
Kapain, kapain!
Later there will be a buzzer outside. Andrea and Dan, you can take a seat now. Let's clear the dance floor.
Hey, may kuya ka daw dito?
Siya yun siya. Naka na. Nag-grab na lang. Ano yung sige na? Ano ka kapatid? Pwede kapatid. Maaga ang Pasko. May sinagpay sa Pasko.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen. It's all about the bass. the future, not to dance. Joe, of course. Ladies and gentlemen, with the throwing of the bridal garter, and before that, I'd like to announce accounting. Andreas, okay, let me give you to Nino Julius.
First, congratulations to our newlywed, and of course, to the very generous sponsors and our guests na nagbigay ng kanilang pasaka ang sinasabi. It means, ito yung this is a sort of a feng shui for their finance. A good luck. It is not the amount that they give, it is the it is also, I think, in the Chinese belief, a good luck for the newlywed for their finances in the future. From Andrea, we received 475 pounds plus 105 euro. And from Dan, we received 250 pounds. So with a total of 725 pounds plus 105 euro. Congratulations.
Shall we give this for the accounts? Receipt. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to present the garter throwing. I would like to call all gentlemen, single or single. Single or single. And Andrea has to. You have to take off your shoes and stand up on a chair. Oh my God, that's the problem. My son is single, but he's only 12. Unless you're gonna get married or find a girlfriend first, honey. Alright, this is what we're gonna do. Andrea's taking off her shoes. She's gonna stand up on a chair. Anyone who wants to bid. Every time you bid, the skirt goes up. Every time you bid, the skirt goes higher. You know where the garter is? Guess where? Where did you put the garter? That's what I want to know. Ladies and gentlemen, first bid. 2 pounds. 2 pounds. From? Bernie. 2 pounds. 2 pounds. Hindi mo naman 2 pounds na gusto naman yung toast. Yan, toast. Ang 2 pounds ay pang toast lang. Oh, 5. Mamaya ako maglalabas. 5 pounds. Ako, 5 pounds. 5 daw, 5 pounds. Oy, 5. Nasa ko naman ang kunti. Sakong. Yan ang 5 pounds.
Nako, baka 20 lang ang butis yan.
Yan pa rin yan.
Next! Sino? Sino?
Pounds pa yun agad?
Mag-bid ka na, pre. Mag-bid ka na.
Siyempre, ako na yung puso na para.
Lahati ng binte ang 5 pounds. Bibig ko na, ladies and gentlemen. Next! Another 2 pounds. Naku, ayaw mag-bid ng groom! Tinatalo muna, Mike. Yung 700 po kanina yun. Ladies and gentlemen, 700 for the groom. Taas mo lang. Where? I would like to invite, where are the gentlemen?
Kailangan ba magpatayin ilaw?
Huwag kasi hindi natin makikita kung gagawin. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to follow the gentlemen, mga ayaw yung maging gentlemen. Where are the secondary sponsors? Oh.
Yung single lang daw.
Single lang.
Let's go, boys.
Single lang eh.
Time to go. Kenneth, Raymond, Nonoy. Raymond, yung mga hindi makakuha ng girlfriend, dalian na.
Oh, maglaro. Ano wala?
Okay, form a circle, guys. Form a circle. Now Dan is gonna hand over the garter while the DJ plays a fast song. You hold the garter and you pass it to one another until the music stops. Where the music stops, the person gets the garter. The man who gets the garter marries next.
Sayaw!
Okay, let me get the girls. Let me get the ladies. Diyan ka muna, Raymond. Dahil susunod ko yan mamaya. Ladies, listen up. Get your bouquet. Come on, ladies. Ladies, at the bouquet. Come the ladies. Ay, nako, patigulo na, pwede.
Ito, bigit ka!
Okay, Andrea's gonna drop the bouquet, okay? Try to catch.
Single dito, single.
Teka muna, ang dami mo na gusto kasama dito. Yay! Mary Kay, you go in the middle. Mary Kay, you go in the middle, honey. Sige na, bibigyan mo na.
Dapat nag-qualification.
Pwede ka ba na
Galing sumilaw ah. Ay, single daw, single.
Ay, may basta.
daw.
Pwede kang maupo, pwede kang tumayo. Now, Raymond, going
Lemon! Wala, takot eh.
Takot kay mahal.
Maghira na naman kay Mahal. Hala, si Jonathan, hindi mapakali.
Kiss!
Please! Please!
Ladies and gentlemen, now we go to a very exciting part. Another one. Now we're gonna have what you call the frequently asked questions on one game. You will ask Andrea and Dan to please sit down back to back. Take off both your shoes. I'm gonna ask a couple of questions, and every time. Okay, listen, both of you, because both of you are gonna answer the question. Okay? Can you tone down the music? I don't want to compete with the music. It's so nice. Alright, so yeah, whatever the cameraman said. Yeah. Now, you take off both shoes. When I ask a question and your answer is Dan, put up the right shoe. Right. That's Dan. Left is Andrea. Left is Andrea. Right is Dan. Okay? Now, if the answer to my question is Dan, put up your right shoe, not the foot. Right. Yeah. If the answer to the question is Andrea, the left shoe. Okay, change the shoes now. Change. Yeah, good idea, Kenneth. Okay, so you know who's that and who's Andrea.
Alis ka na?
Right is Dan, left is Andrea. Right is Dan. Yeah. Dan. Right is your shoes. Right? Yeah. Right. Put your shoes on it. Yeah. Hindi pa man. Ay, dito na, Andrea. Parang nasa pamilya. Okay. I'm shooting a question, and each question will be answered by Dan and Andrea. Every time you have the correct question from both of you, the same answer, the Pag mali ang answer, pag hindi sila parehas ng answer, they kiss next. Here we go. Listen. Who smiled first when you met each other the first time? Who smiled first? Oh my God, di nyo nila ang daan. Who smiled first the first time you met each other? Kiss! Next, galingan. Who is more patient in the relationship?
Gusto lang ata makakis eh.
Hindi tayo umamin. Alright, choose somebody to kiss. Of course, audience. Gawin na. Yes, si Mami at si Daddy! Mami Lisa and Mami Rudy! Yes! Dapat nakataon yan na!
Paminsan-minsan lang yan. Wala ka ka-sweet-sweet.
Next question. Who, between you and Dan, Andrea and Dan, who has the sweeter tooth? Sinong mahilig sa sweets? Ako, choose na naman. Mukhang pagpati mo sa dalawa. Choose! Choose!
Kuya, no, natin ulit.
Go, go, go! Hoy, Mr. Pogi, halika dito. Ako, nawala na si Cory.
One minute.
Hoy, salit! Meron ako ditong nag-comment. Ayaw naman sa microphone. Next question. Next question. Aha, ito maganda. Who always forgets to close the doors? Alright! Sino talaga? Okay, next question. Who hangs the jackets on the back of the chair? At the back of the chair.
Yours!
Kiss na naman.
Sinasadya nyo na yata.
Nakapag-usan ako ng question nila. Okay, here we go.
Si Ernie kaya naghihintay.
Who is the better cook? Umamit kayo. Now choose. Ikaw naman dyan. Victoria and Ian! Last question. Ito palagay ko tama. Ako sasagutin ko tama. Unang shopping. More. Sasagot ko si Daniel. Kiss. Yeah. Alright. So ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Did we enjoy it? Like after all the nice things that we've done, I am very happy that I was here, my family was here. I would like also to take this opportunity to tell Dan and Andrea, who has been like my little tiny sister ever since she was born. She stayed with my family for a long time. I would like to say that in case that in the future you will have some difficulties around you or decision problems or anything that would try your marriage and your love for each other, just get